और इस किचन की खास बात ये है कि आपको 3 sides. This is your living room. So this is a very spacious master bedroom. Hello everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey, and today I'm going to be giving you 3 BHK sample flat tour of Dosti 604 located at Wagle Estate, Thane West. As you can see, the sales office is right behind me. Have a look at it. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. Right behind me is the site. Have a look at it. Now have a look at the neighborhood. The right side takes me directly to Eastern Express Highway. But before moving ahead, let me give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connect home buyers directly with developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platform where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which may lead to many calls. But now you don't need to worry anymore because Housey is here where we connect you directly with builders. So buy your dream home directly with builders only on Housey. Talking about project overview, this project is made on a land parcel of 2.5 acres with 1 towers and 3 wings with 3 levels of basement, ground, and then 1st to 7th floor is your podium, 8th floor is your amenity, and 9 to 48 is your residential address with a configuration of 2-3 BHK and Jodi option available. Talking about amenities, they have 50 plus world-class amenities including mini golf court, swimming pool, open view gym, kids play area, indoor game zone and many more. Talking about connectivity, this project is located at Wagle Estate, Thane West with Mulund station and Thane station at a distance of just 10 minutes, Eastern Express Highway at a distance of just 3 minutes and GMLR at a distance of just 10 minutes. So now let me give you this 3 BHK flat tour with an area of 1100 square feet. As I enter, this is your foyer space. Check out the space. A quite spacious foyer area. And as we enter, to my right is the kitchen. Let's check out the kitchen. और इस किचन की खास बात ये है कि आपको 3 sides प्लेटफॉर्म मिलते हैं. यूजुअली हम देखते हैं फ्लैट्स में सिर्फ 2 तरफ प्लेटफॉर्म्स मिलते हैं, बट हियर यू आर गेटिंग 3 sides of platform, which is a good part, and a lot of space for your cabinet area as well. So you're getting 3 walls where your platform ends. This is your refrigerator area, and this is your washing machine space. So if you want to have a small washing machine space, you get it here. Now let's go check out the rooms. So as we go ahead, this is your living room. So this is a quite spacious living room. And the best part about this attached balcony. यहाँ पर आपको हर रूम में अटैच बालकनी मिलेगा और क्वाइट स्पेशियस बालकनी. यू कैन चेक आउट, यू कैन इजीली 2 to 3 पीपल सिट, एंजॉय देयर व्यू. एंड यहाँ पर आपको संजय गांधी नेशनल पार्क का व्यू मिलेगा, फुल हिल व्यू, विच इज अगेन अ वेरी गुड पार्ट. नो ऑब्स्ट्रक्शंस, नथिंग. सो नाउ लेट्स गो चेक आउट अ डाइनिंग स्पेस. As we move ahead, this is your dining space. You can check out, it's a whole 6-seater dining space. तो आप देख सकते हैं कितना अच्छा खासा स्पेस दिया डाइनिंग एरिया को भी. This living room is full in rectangle space, तो हर चीज़ को अच्छे से प्लेसिंग दी गई है. After keeping the dining table, still there's so much of walkable space over here and no interruption in your sofa and TV unit place. You can see that. Now let's go check out our rooms. But as we first go check out our first room, this is our common washroom. Have a look at it. Such a spacious common washroom with again anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. Now let's check out our first bedroom, which is a kid's bedroom. So I'll have a look at the space. Such a spacious room. तो यूजुअली मुंबई में हम एक किंग साइज बेड रख लेते हैं या क्वीन साइज बेड रख लेते हैं, उसके बाद भी वॉकेबल स्पेस नहीं होता है. बट यहाँ पे 2 सेपरेट बेड्स रखे गए हैं. स्टिल देयर इज सो मच ऑफ वॉकेबल स्पेस इन दिस रूम, ऑल 3 sides. So please check out the spacing. Again, you get half French window attached to the room. And now this is your wardrobe space. So you can see good amount of space is given to your wardrobe, and right here is a study place where 2 kids can easily sit and do their homework, projects, whatever. So quite spacious room. Your kids will have good space. Again, this wall can also be used for storage. So there'll be no, need of adding extra space. Now let's go check out our first master bedroom. As we enter, this is your washroom, attached washroom. Again, you get this with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. And this is your master bedroom. Just check out the space. I must say, not a single room in this house is congested. They've taken good proper care of space so that no one feels congested in their room. There's so much of walkable space. Now right here is your wardrobe area. Again, a whole wall dedicated to your wardrobe area. This can even be used as running wardrobe if you want, because you have space from right here to the end. And still there's so much of walkable space, right? Again, you'll be getting half French window in this also, in this room as well. And let me quickly mention that you're going to be getting vitrified tiles in the entire house. Now let's go check out our biggest bedroom. But before that, let me tell you some key features of Housey. So Housey gives you actual location tour, actual flat video and sample flat video, pros and cons of buying the project, payment and EMI schemes, and 360-degree location tour. All these very amazing features are available on housey.com. So don't forget to register yourself for free and book a free site visit today with us. Now let's go check out the master bedroom. So as we enter, directly here is your washroom. The attached washroom. Again, good amount of space for an attached washroom, I must say, and you will be getting anti-skid tiles and high-end fitting as well. As we move ahead, this is your foyer space, and then comes your master bedroom. Again, a very spacious master bedroom. I must say that you can again in this room as well use this side of the wall for your wardrobe space for more storage. Still, you have so much walkable space in this room, so you can see good. Every room is quite spacious. Now this is your wardrobe area, whole wall dedicated to your wardrobe area. Still, there's so much of walkable space. And again, you'll be getting half French window attached. So this was the sample flat tour of Dosti 604 by Dosti Realty. To get more information about this project, do check the comment section, and to know more about such properties, do check the icon button. Also do like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.